just a few days, 2 days in fact, before season 6 of the IPL begins. A big controversy over the waste of water.
Yes, Maharashtra opposition leader Vinod Tawde has objected to the use of water during IPL matches in the drought-hit state. Tawde argues that pitch maintenance will consume 60,000 litres of water every day per stadium. RPI activists are also holding protests in Bandra today, but the NCP is backing the IPL, saying that Mumbai and Pune, where these matches will be held, face no water shortage. 16 IPL matches, remember, are scheduled at Wankhede Stadium in Mumbai and Sahara Stadium in Pune.
As per my knowledge, 60 lakh litres of water would be used during IPL in Maharashtra. Taking into consideration the plight of drought-affected people, I hope that the IPL will take an appropriate decision.
मेंटेन्स करायला 60,000 लीटर पानी लागणार.
कहा जा रहा है कि लॉन मेंटेन करने के लिए जो पानी लगेगा, मैच होगा तो पानी लगेगा, मैच हो या ना हो, लॉन को मेंटेन करने का प्रोसेस कंटिन्यू चलता रहता है. हमने बार बार कहा है कि आईपीएल मैच द्वारा राज्य सरकार को 25% एंटरटेनमेंट टैक्स मिलेगा और इस तरह से मैच को विरोध करना राज्य के विकास के लिए जो पैसे उपलब्ध होने वाले हैं उसको विरोध करने की राजनीति है.
We do have Smita Nair, Raskina, Mumbai Bureau Chief, joining us live this afternoon. Smita, it seems to be a valid concern, given what we know in your reports as well, from the worst drought that Maharashtra has seen in 4 decades. But the NCP, Sharad Pawar's party, saying, for one, that this water will be used anyway to maintain the pitches, and these venues of the matches aren't facing a shortage.
Well, Amrita, some would say that this is political point scoring by the BJP. The party president Rajnath Singh is currently in Jalna, one of the worst affected districts of Maharashtra, touring the region. It was the BJP's Vinod Tawde who wrote that letter to Rajiv Shukla of the IPL, asking him if there could be a reconsideration on the usage of water for these maintenance of pitches where IPL matches are going to be played. But the NCP too has a point when it says that those inside the BJP, including senior leaders like Arun Jaitley or the MP like Anurag Thakur, both of whom are associated with the IPL's own governing council, are of the opinion that these matches cannot be rescheduled. Therefore, some would say this is political point scoring in the state, and is unlikely, Amrita, that there will be any kind of a rescheduling of matches, or the BCCI even formally acknowledging this letter that was sent by Vinod Tawde and talking about whether or not there will be wastage of water for maintaining these pitches, as the NCP is here at pains to point out that water is being used as we speak every day to maintain those pitches, and maintenance of the pitches is not something that will be stopped for the period of the drought, and these aren't areas that really are facing water scarcity.
But at a time when the state is facing its worst drought in 40 years, Smita, politically, can some of these parties afford to be seen on the side of the IPL rather than all those people who are suffering, even though they make the point that the areas where the matches will be held do not face any shortage?
It's a bit like apples and oranges, Palki, which is why many are confounded by the BJP's targeting of the IPL or the wastage of water, so to speak. And it's a populist position to have been adopted by the BJP here in the state. And undoubtedly, as you're pointing out, other political parties wouldn't want to, on the face of it, seemingly oppose what the BJP is saying. Except for the NCP, which who the party chief Sharad Pawar, of course, is someone who's been associated with Indian cricket and BCCI for decades now. But you wouldn't see the Congress, for instance, publicly come out and say that they're okay with the wastage of water. But what is likely to happen, and those within the BJP in the state to admit, Palki, is that there is going to be no rescheduling of matches. These are populist noises, so to speak, that the BJP is making, and some other parties are likely to parrot as well, like the RPI that went about breaking hoardings and tearing down posters today in Mumbai.
Right, very interesting. Of course, IPL season 6 set to start in 2 days. Smita, you're saying populist positions and political brownie points being scored there, and of course the NCP, I believe, making the point of the amount of revenues that come in from the IPL, and that's not to be underestimated either.
Absolutely. In fact, the estimated revenue from entertainment tax that the state could earn this year in the season of IPL is 20 crore rupees. It was 15 crore rupees last year. This is something that cannot be looked over and cannot be ignored, is what the NCP is at pains to point out, which is something that many politicians here at Vidhan Bhavan seem to be agreeing with. But we are likely to see this issue possibly gather steam in the next couple of days before the season of IPL actually kicks off. We were expecting a mention to be made in the assembly today. That hasn't happened just yet. We'll have to see how this proceeds ahead, but for the moment it appears to be political posturing, and simply political posturing, without it actually having any intended effect on the matches, as it were.